Today we are playing some more Battle Bears Gold. I really like all the people watching this because I've seen other people play this, and last time I played I really enjoyed it. So I think I decided to play it again. Okay, this time I'm going to be changing all my loadouts and place for one match. The other match was pretty long. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with the Sanchez first. 1v1 only. Ah, he boots me. Oh, he's booted me too. This is not having a good start. Oh, here's one. No. Oh my goodness, yes. Ooh, this is one. Oh no, he boots me. Yes, yes. Get in there. I don't know why people are booting me. Because I'm too pro for them. Yep, I'm too pro. GGH. Come on, let's play. I'm gonna wreck them. Oh wow. Not a good day. After. Yep, okay. Looks like we're playing someone here. Oh, hell. Okay. Hello. Yep, okay. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do it and do it. It's like been 3 minutes that I've been waiting for a game. Not 3 minutes actually, looking for a game in that play with friends. But okay, I just decided to do this one. Waiting for one more player. Nope. Sorry about that. Nope. Unicorn. Stop. Oh no. Wow. It's not going to go well. This is not going well. really want to go. Oh, really? Okay. Oh no, I'm deranking. What is this? Really? Just let me win. Oh, God. I'll never be able to play battle right here now. This is all me not joining the game. Please, please be a map that Sanchez can go on, which fits for him. Waiting for one player. No! How did I manage to do in that other version? No, not in the other version, the last video. Well, guess it's the end. I'll never be able to play or something. There's better be a map. Come on, come on. Start the game. Okay. Oh, I hate this. Really? Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Enough of doing all that, looking for a game, and I'll see you in another episode. Goodbye. Hopefully it works. Peace.